same color, same body. Thank you so much. Our Tony he is a very good driver, very good captain, not crazy racing. And also, my name is Mimi, like a Mimi. I'm guiding you today. Nice to meet you, all of you. And also, we have two boys. So one, pick up you, come back to the boat, and serve you drinks, serve you food. We got drinking water. We have any soft drink, and we have banana and cake to serve you too. And the end of the trip, that we have our marina for today. Yeah. All right. For lunch, one question please. So anyone who got any food allergy, like gluten free or soya sauce allergy, no, right? So lunch we got 2 line buffet. 2 line buffet. One vegetarian and another line is non-vegetarian. So we have 2 line buffet. You are request vegetarian, no problem for you. Who are not request anything, you can eat all everything. The place where we stop for lunch, we have lunch at Muslim fishing village. So lunch 100% halal. All right, enjoy. Kabuka. And mind your cap, mind your head. Air conditioner coming. Happy room here. She come with me today. His name is Maxi. She is photographer. She will follow you everywhere, not in the toilet only. So she will take a picture, take a photo. That is the company, they do the business. When you come back in the evening, you will find your picture with the frame. So if you want, pay money. If you don't want, thank you. But let's try to smile. And also, if you don't want picture, your picture, they are not shared on social. Yeah, just do the business for the company. Thank you. James Bond #2 room, but not a real place. They filmed the movie here. Just the rock look like James Bond rock here. So we call James Bond #2. And the other room that we call honeymoon room. You come honeymoon today. Good? Happy your honeymoon. Happy your honeymoon. So, second time, okay. Third time next year. And also, when you get in front of the room, you lay down on the canoe and see up the top, you will see my heart in the lagoon. That's why we call honeymoon room. And also, some areas behind the mountain, they go on narrow place, small cave. If you go dark phobia, if you carry in narrow area, you can tell your pedal guide to not bring you inside there. But no dangerous, nothing dangerous there. It's not really narrow. It's quite big. Yeah, you can try. If you cannot, please, you can tell them, bring me outside to stay in open area only. And also, please do not touch the rock around the mountain there. Why? If you touch the rock, you will get the souvenir from here 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, or use our entrance. They got sharp rock, they got baby oyster, they have sharp shell. Yeah, please do not touch the rock. Grab your cell phone, your camera to take a photo. Your another belonging you can put on the boat here. They will send you back here later. And also no shoes, no sandal, no bib rock. We are no walk. We just sitting, stay chill, stay beautiful in the canoe. Sit like a queen, princess, king. And please grab some drink with you too, because the weather right now is very hot. I had all sunglasses. You can bring it with you. And last thing, if you enjoy with the pedal guide service, you can give them a tip also. If they do a good job for you, that depends on you. Happiness. And see you tomorrow. But nothing dangerous. And also, those who don't know how to swim, you can wear the life jacket. And for the life jackets, you can take it off. 100% safe. And the pedal guy who gonna pedal the canoe for you, they are very professional also. Yeah, never got accident from here, never. Yeah, even you tap the rock. When you sit down, your bottom a bit bent because sometimes on the canoe, the if you come together two, you can go together two. If you come together three, you can go together three also. Or four, but not 4 adults. 2 adults and 2 little baby can go
โอ้ใครต้องแข่ปั๊มอ่ะต้องปั๊มในห้องน้ำมั้ยโอเคทำทีละอีกอยู่นั่นจริงๆนะผมกดชาร์จนี่ก็15 นาทีแล้วเดี๋ยวไปยังบอยก่อน10แล้วมาถึงนาทีจะลงเลยนี่เลยพอไอ้เล็กออกจากบันที่ไปก่อนหลังนั้นบอกเก็บห้างกัน40 นาทีกับเกณฑ์มันรีเฟซ2 เครื่องมาเรียนนั่นเองเลยไม่รู้เวียดนามรู้ไหม Yes, Kusake. Slowly, Kusake. Thank you. Take some water.
Because of Tiambon rock look like crab eye. And if you call Khao Ta'u is mean nail, but same name. After they filmed the movie in 1973, so they changed to call Tiambon Island. We can watch the movie in 1974, yeah. The man with the golden gun 007. And also, ladies and gentlemen, the place where we're gonna dump you with a Wicked Island where you can walk. You can see Wicked Island in the front race out there. That is we call Khao Phing Kan. Khao also is mean island. Phing Kan is mean leaning. They got leaning mountain rock there. They got leaning rocks there. That is a rock they once joined together in million years before. And after this, they crack out. After they crack out, they slide down and they're leaning on each other. So one part of the rock they're leaning on a bigger one here. And also they got the size. They write about who come to visit this place. We wishing you can stay together forever. million here. Same like leaning mountain rock. You cannot run away from it. You have to stay together, million here. And also, yeah, you see there, the rock crack out and they're leaning on each other. And also they got like a white ponies there. That is our royal family name. They've been here, they visit here before, and they do the signature, so they put in the rock. Just show our Thai people, our royal been here before, like this, yeah. And also, ladies and gentlemen, please put your shoe on, your sandal on, flip-flop on. This place cannot bear peace walk on the island, very rocky. And also, your cell phone with you, camera with you, money with you, if you would like to buy something. But firstly, let's go to take picture first. You can walk anywhere, any place, and I recommend also you can walk to the other side, and the way you walk, you will see panorama of James Bond view. And this island cannot walk around. Same way, walk back. Where we stop, where we come back. So the boat then cannot stop there. The boat move out and hanging outside there. So I will let you know about the time. And also on the other side, they got toilet and restroom there behind the shop. It is the restaurant. So on this side, the totally we got 7 restaurants. So we have lunch at New Fern restaurant. Another restaurant. Then sometimes you will get lost. After you finish lunch, ladies and gentlemen, you can walk inside the village. The way walk out, just walk to the end of the restaurant. You will find coffee shop there. And behind coffee shop, they got exit way. That is the way walk out. You can walk anywhere, any place. You can see the school. You can go to see the mall. You can see fresh market, or you can buy the souvenir too. If you buy the souvenir, let's do discount. Don't forget, the price is very high. Try to do cheaper. And also, if you lost the way, I will write the name of the restaurant for you and what time we come back. Lunch is buffet lunch. So we have 2 line buffet, one vegetarian and another line is non-vegetarian. Drinking water included, and the soft drink and the coffee tea not included. And also, if you walk inside, this is covered because it is a Muslim place. A bit sexy, no problem. Too much sexy, cannot. So, New First. Our restaurant called New First.